Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly use the quick remote in the SmartThings app on iPhone. You can use your iPhone as a quick remote when using the plugin that supports remote control for devices like your TV, monitor, and projector in the SmartThings. If you close the app or run it in the background, the remote control is displayed as a live activity. That's it. Let me show you how to get it started and bring this feature into action. So first off, you have to launch the SmartThings app on your iPhone. Then you have to hit the menu button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to hit the settings icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the quick remote option and turn on its toggle. And you're all set. Going forward, you can use your smartphone as a quick remote as it will start showing on your connected devices. When using the plugin that supports remote control for devices like your smart TV, monitor, and projector in SmartThings, if you close the app or run it in the background, the remote control will show up as a live activity, and hence it will be able to spice up your movie time. And that's about it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.